In front of me is Blackview Tab 16 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off autocorrection. Begin by going into Settings and scrolling all the way down to Access System. Then click on Languages and Input, On-Screen Keyboard, and Gboard. Following that, after clicking on Text Correction, scroll down just a bit to access this switcher next to Autocorrection. This way you can switch it off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!